Now I declare the presence of a quorum. Also, we have sent invitation to former Director of PDEA, Police Lieutenant General Arturo G. Cacdac Jr., retired. And he has this answer. This is in dear Senator De La Rosa. This is in reference to your letter dated May 2024. May I respectfully request that I be excused from attending the said public hearing because I was admitted at Capitol Medical Center, Quezon City, for an MRI of my cervical spine and therapy due to the neck. So, meron siyang medical reasons. How about General Serapio, Kumsek?